morning, my name is Tameron here from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. I'm excited to show you our brand new 2019 Santa Fe, one of the more popular vehicles here on our lot. So here she is. Let's start in the front. We have a beautiful honeycomb grille with a smart cruise control, LED wraparound headlights, and of course daytime running lights, nitrogen filled tires, blind spot detection in both mirrors. Let me show you the interior. All the safety and technology features you could ever want, such as cruise control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, you name it, folks. But the best part here are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But that last one we double here at Tameron to 20 years, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty, making our warranties literally the best in the country. Again, my name is Tameron. I'll be the one working with you. My number directly is area code 703-505-1598. Come on down to Tameron Hyundai. Let's test drive this bad boy. And again, you'll love the way you're treated.